This little lovebird was born 3 weeks ago. Doesn't even have her feathers in. She's eating formula and learning how to move around. She's got some injuries. We're going to have to heal her up a little bit. She's got a damaged beak and one of her toes looks like it's got some trauma to it. But we'll get her rehabilitated in no time. Come, baby. She doesn't like the camera. I know. Hi. Hi, pretty. Poor old ugly thing. But she's gonna be beautiful. Yes, you are. You see her damaged beak? It's okay. She just ate. She got a full belly. She probably wants to go lay down. So we're going to see about getting that taken care of for her. Okay. Say bye, Tinker. Bye, Tinker. Bye.